Hey, I'm back live. Feeling a little better. Still having little symptoms, but recovering. May go to the doctor here in a little bit just to get some checkups. But I'm visiting a job site we're doing right now, and we're doing sod here. Got sod. There's our guy Brian, the crew. Facebook Live. You want to be on Facebook Live or no? No?
I'll be all right.
Are you wanted? I think he's wanted. Okay, we can't have. He's wanted. Facebook Live.
I know both wanted.
You want to be on Facebook Live?
Huh?
No, y'all are shy, man. What's up? We're doing a customer's yard here. You can see we got the prep going here on the sod. Putting the soil down. Mark the sprinklers here. You can see this was basically a hole here. It was very, very bad here. We filled it in with soil. You can see here. Got the nice pool. We're gonna plant sod here. There was old St. Augustine here, so we're planting with the St. Augustine. It's gonna look beautiful back here. It's gonna look great. Just back again, trying to get out, feeling better. Like I said, went to church, got prayed for. Thank you, Lisa Swayze, for praying for me, and I'm feeling better. Just minor symptoms. Think it's more psychological or something, panic attacks or whatever, but feeling better. I've got to get out here to my customers. Again, this is a sod installation we're doing. I'm going to put sod back here, make it look nice and great. There's a customer. So let us know if you need any sod. And we'll get to you as soon as possible. Check out our website, onpointdfw.com. Thank you. Here's the sod we're planting here. Here's the sod right here. Top though is going to be dry because of the transportation. The bottom you can see it's nice and moist there. See there? So there, we'll be planting this tomorrow. It's a 2-day job. You see how it looks nice. Nice and thick pieces.
I don't have time to deal with that in the morning. That's frustrating.
All right, guys. It's good talking to you. Good to be back on live. Feeling better. Doing the sod job here. If you need sod, go to onpointdfw.com. We do sprinklers, fence. If you need a new fence, we do that too. All right. God bless you guys.